skin like you never even left.
Now this one is super simple. Super simple. Yes, olive oil. Y'all know olive oil is amazing. And we'll be talking a lot more about olive oil because I can't seem to get away from around it because it's got so many amazing benefits for the skin. And one of those is today we're talking about it, helping with sagging skin. So when it comes to this olive oil right here, all you have to do is simply do an olive oil massage. It'll not only tighten your skin, but will also make it smoother and clearer. You can use olive oil for massaging as it contains, listen, vitamin E and vitamin A, and it also has anti-aging benefits. I don't know if you recall this video or were you even part of my life at the time I talked about taking a tablespoon of olive oil every single day. Let me tell you why. K2 is found in this supplement. K2 is also found in olive oil. So think about it. There are amazing benefits all around that we tend to know and sometimes forget. And olive oil can be one of those things that you can take a sip of it. This particular one, now I use this one mainly on my skin. I use regular cooking olive oil for taking it every day. I don't take the olive oil like I did before because I'm using my K2 and I have other supplements that I use. However, olive oil can be a game changer for you. So think about it. So when it comes to the olive oil, this is all you need to do. Take 2 tablespoons of this olive oil. Take the olive oil in a small container. If you want to, it's great if you can warm it up a little bit. Use the warm oil to massage your face and neck. Massage for about 10 minutes. Then take a clean cloth, dip it in lukewarm water, and use it to wipe your face and neck off. You can also use coconut oil, almond oil, or even jojoba oil for massaging. So that's a simple one. Very simple, very easy. You're complaining about things, but there's help. Probably right in your household. Go check out your kitchen. Check to see if you got some olive oil. If you don't have the K2 vitamins, start taking you a teaspoon or a tablespoon every single morning of olive oil. And then also start massaging your face upwards with the olive oil, the warm olive oil, as often as you like. There's no overdoing it, okay? Just maybe once a day is sufficient. But if you can do that, you'll start seeing some difference.